Welcome to Module 17 in our Fundamentals of Digital Marketing Certification. Okay, so in Module 17, we'll be going through Connect through email. Okay, so let's start learning. We have 5 lessons under this module. Today, we are all bombarded with product choices. If you want to stay top of mind with your customers, you need to try email marketing. Email marketing is a great addition to your other digital marketing activities. Why? It builds customer loyalty and engagement without breaking the bank, and it works well on mobile. In this video, we'll show you how to develop a contact list and how to speak to different audiences based on their interests. We'll also discuss how email marketing helps you build relationships with customers. As with any type of marketing, your first step in email marketing should be to set goals. Do you want to use emails to showcase products and services and bring more visitors to your site? Do you want to use email to drive business results, like distributing a coupon that brings in at least 10 sales? No matter what your goals are, a good place to start is by finding a list of people who have expressed an interest in your business. So how do you find these people and get their email addresses? Start by asking them. Let's say you own a pet supply shop. When you chat with customers, offer to send discounts and special offers if they provide an email address. If you have a site, you can include a form and encourage visitors to subscribe online. Keep in mind that people must give you permission to send commercial email, and many countries have laws that require consent. Great. Now you've started building a list of people who want your emails. Now let's think about the ways email marketing can help you achieve your business goals. You don't want to overwhelm customers with too much content in one email or too many emails in succession. Start with a friendly hello and introduction. Next, you might send information about your shop and the product lines that you sell. At this point, you can ask them 1 or 2 questions to narrow down their interest a bit. You don't want to send dog lovers cat food coupons. Then, when you have information about your customers, you can send specific offers or content they might find interesting. For example, if you know that a group of these customers recently purchased dog food, you might showcase your most popular dog toys, colors, and leads. Be sure to include useful information and relevant offers like tips for dog training or a coupon for dog treats. While you're educating your customers about your business, you can use marketing emails to learn more about them as well. Ask your subscribers if they're interested in receiving updates about other products or services. Then find out how they prefer to hear from you. For example, do they want to receive emails weekly or monthly? Record what you learn in your email contact database for future email campaigns. How about people who have been on your contact list for a long time? These loyal customers are really important to your business, and it's a good idea to build a positive, lasting relationship with them. So how might you go about this? Well, people appreciate when you anticipate their needs. Let's say certain customers have ordered a flea and tick treatment through your site in the past. Summer is approaching, and along with hot weather comes tiny pests that can harm your furry friends. So you put together an email with tips for keeping your house and pet free of ticks and fleas. You might include an offer for 20% off a pre-season order of their preferred brand. Or from time to time, you might send your loyal cat owners a small gallery with some of the funniest cat videos on the internet. By making your content entertaining and useful, your subscribers will enjoy and appreciate your emails, and you'll likely remain their go-to choice when they are ready to buy. Finally, you can use email to request feedback from your contacts about their shopping or customer support experience, and then respond to them directly. By knowing what went right or went wrong, you can offer solutions to their issues or simply thank them for being a customer. So that's it. Email marketing is a great way for you to develop relationships with both potential and existing customers. As you identify your different audiences, you can customize communications based on their particular interests. By offering useful and engaging content, you can build loyalty over time. A strong customer base will help your business grow. If you want to learn more about email marketing, we've got lots coming up. We'll discuss the different email marketing services and their specific features. We'll also show you how to write an email that will connect with your customers. Email marketing is a very important part of digital marketing, which you can't miss. Sorry, I forgot to sign in. I'll have to do that before I can do the check your knowledge section. Steph runs an online pet supply shop, and she has some ideas about how email marketing can help her business. Two of her ideas are correct and two are not. Can you weed out the wrong ones? So we move to lesson 2 under module 17. So once you are ready to start using an email marketing campaign, you need to know how to get started. An email marketing service can guide you through the process from start to finish. We are going to discuss the typical features and benefits of email marketing services. We'll also talk about how these tools can give you insights into customer behavior so you can deliver more personalized content. While there are many options to choose from, most email marketing tools share a few common features. The first is a contact database that stores your customers' information. At minimum, the database needs to include an email address for each contact. Most software services allow you to include additional information like name, mailing address, and other information. Start building your email database by adding customer data you already have. Most services allow you to upload data from a spreadsheet, a handy feature if you have a lot of information to include. Next, you want to give people the ability to subscribe and unsubscribe themselves. Most email services provide an online form that you can add to your site by copying and pasting a bit of code. Website visitors can then submit this form to sign up for your emails. This data is then automatically transferred to your contact database. One thing to keep in mind, these forms are usually customizable, so you can ask for the specific customer information you want, but your online sign-up form should be short and easy to complete. You'll probably have more success growing a subscriber list if you don't require too much information. All you really need is their email address to get started. If you do have information about customers, you can use it to sort them into lists. For example, let's say you own a pet supply shop. If you know that one set of customers own cats, you can group them in a cat list and send them cat food offers. Customers who own dogs will be on the dog list and get different offers. The more information you have about your customers, the more relevant your emails can be. I already described all of this in a practical video in our email marketing class. Now you've got your database. Let's think about the actual emails. Email templates allow you to create a design that matches your brand. You can reuse your template again and again for similar email campaigns. Keep in mind that many people read email on their mobiles, so be sure yours are mobile friendly. Many email marketing tools allow you to preview your email on different devices before you send. Another great feature to know about is the ability to schedule when your email goes out. You can send the email immediately or choose a later day and time. An email marketing tool can even be used to track what people do when they receive it. You might find that most of your customers open their email first thing Monday mornings or during lunch on Friday. You can then use your email service to record those preferences and send future emails at more relevant times. Email marketing services also track who clicks the links in your email. These links typically go to pages on your site. You can then track what those people do. once they're on your site, like whether they read an article or make a purchase. As you learn about your customers' behavior, you can then deliver more personalized content. Many email marketing services offer a personalization feature that places relevant content into an email template based on a person's interest. You can use these features to send specific messages to different people within your database. Remember those groups of cat owners and dog owners you set up? While most of your email will contain general information that all pet owners will appreciate, your email template can also include one or two fields for content that is specific for each pet specific group. By targeting each group with a personalized email, you increase the chances that they will not only read your email but also click through to visit your site. So as you can see, email marketing tools make running a successful email program much easier. Not only will they save you time, but you can track which recipients open and take action on your messages. The more you know about your contacts, the more personalized content you can deliver. Next, you will explore how to craft a compelling email and how to best manage your campaign. Steph is thinking about using an email marketing service to help us send out marketing emails for our pet supply stores. What benefits are there to using an email marketing service? Move to lesson 3. So you've signed up for an email marketing service and you are ready to get started on your first campaign. Let's talk about grabbing customers' attention with strong subject lines, keeping their attention with concise and relevant content, and offering links for more information. Okay, let's say you own a pet supply shop. You've been collecting names, emails, and pet types of both prospective and loyal customers. And now you are ready to launch your first email marketing campaign. You want to send an email announcement aimed at dog and cat owners, telling them all about the latest and general and greatest all-natural pet foods you offer. But in order to get customers to read your newsletter, you first have to get them to open the email. It's all about making a good first impression here. Think about what customers see when they glance at their inbox. Will your email make them want to open it? The two things they will see are your business name in the form field and the subject line of your email. Be sure to use a name and email address in your form field that clearly identifies your business. People are more likely to open an email from someone they recognize and trust. The subject line of your email can make or break your campaign. An effective subject line will compel people to open it. A poorly composed subject line might mean your email gets deleted or trapped in spam filters. Keep your subject line short and simple, ideally under 10 words. Try to capture the most valuable and relevant information contained in the email. When possible, personalize or localize the subject line. For example, Jane is your pup, the eldest in London. It's best to avoid words like free, percent off, reminder, and specials, as well as spam symbols and exclamation points. These are all known to trigger spam filters. Now you've captured your customers' attention and they've opened your email. Congratulations, that's half the battle. At this point, keep in mind how busy your customers are and how many emails they get every day. Even if you've crafted the most intriguing message possible, they'll likely just scan it. So keep your content concise and get right to the point. Your paragraphs should be short, maybe 1 to 3 sentences, and keep them focused on a single idea. You can always link to longer articles and additional information on your site. Make your writing as persuasive and engaging as possible and use the right tone of voice for your audience. You want to have consistency across your brand, but email newsletters offer opportunities to be a bit more casual in tone. Links in your email should include calls to action. Encourage recipients to click through to offers on your site. For example, a link could say something like, click here to save 25% off your next order of all natural cat chow, or maybe click here for free shipping on orders over £50. Use bold text and design to highlight important offers and content. There's one last thing you'll want to include, and that's some links at the bottom of the email that allow recipients to unsubscribe, change their email preferences, or update their contact information. Providing an easy way for users to opt out of your newsletter is not only good customer service, but is also required by law in many countries. So remember, take the time to craft a short but strong subject line. Write concise content with a fun and engaging tone. and include helpful links that will improve your customer experience and possibly lead to increased sales. Each email marketing campaign will teach you more about what works and what doesn't. Over time, you can create better emails for your customers, which in turn can build your business. Steph is writing a marketing email to send out to customers who have bought puppy food and toys from our online shop. Which of the following options should she select to use in the subject line of the email? Go to lesson 4. There's a lot to manage when running an email campaign. Today, you learn strategies to set yourself up for success. You can improve your campaigns by testing your emails, creating relevant campaign landing pages, and measuring the success of all your hard work. First, let's discuss how you can use something we call A/B testing to get more people to open your mails and click through to your site. A/B testing is when you create two versions of an email to see which one performs better. You can use this technique to test different email approaches. Let's say you are sending an email announcing a new product, but you are not sure what subject line to use. You can send half of your customers version A of the subject line and the other half version B. Then look at which email had a higher open rate. That is the measure of how many people open your emails compared to how many emails were delivered. Whichever version had a higher open rate wins. You can use A/B testing to test different subject lines, frequency, content, and images. You could try sending emails on Tuesdays and Saturdays, or try sending emails weekly and monthly. See what your audience seems to prefer and then adjust. Keep in mind that you don't want to overwhelm people by sending them too many emails. You should always provide the option for people to receive fewer emails, such as a monthly digest. That way, they don't unsubscribe simply because they want to hear from you less often. Be sure to choose or create specific landing pages for your email campaigns. A landing page is the first page a person sees when they arrive at your site. That way, when a person clicks a link within the email, they will land on a relevant web page. You won't want someone to click a link to learn about a specific product and end up on the home page, right? Your email campaigns will be more successful if you send visitors directly to the page they want to see, so they can learn about the product and maybe buy it. Last, remember that people will read your emails on mobiles, tablets, laptops, and desktops. That means your email landing pages need to work well across all those devices. Just like any type of online marketing, email marketing is easy to measure. Email services usually include analytics tools, so you can track and measure how well your campaigns are doing. The reports can show you interesting data like open rates, which can help you learn which subject lines are most compelling. You can see which content drives people to visit your site by looking at the click-through rate when people click a link within the email. And finally, be sure to use web analytics to figure out what people are doing on your site after they click on your emails. As always, you should be looking for opportunities to improve the website experience for email visitors. So let's review. You can regularly improve your email campaigns by testing different versions, creating relevant landing pages, and using analytics to see what is working best. These tips will set you up for success and help you understand the value of your email marketing campaigns. Steph is curious to learn how our customers react to email marketing campaigns. What kind of analytics data might she expect to get from her recent email marketing action? final lesson for this module. So you've signed up for an email marketing service and you are ready to get started on your first campaign. Let's now talk about grabbing your customers' attention with strong subject lines, keeping their attention with concise and relevant content. No, this should be lesson 5. When it comes to managing the success of your email campaigns, understanding your audience behavior is essential. In this lesson, we will explore the benefits associated with understanding email performance as well as cover common metrics that can provide insights to help you optimize future campaigns. First, let's look at why utilizing email metrics can be a powerful addition to your marketing toolbox. Let's say you own a pet supply shop and have gathered a strong email marketing list made up of interested customers. Using the analytics from your email platform, you can discover the number of people clicking from your email to your site or how many people complete any calls to action you've set, such as making an online purchase using a discount code. This type of informed decision making can lead to a greater conversion rate and can help you refine any future campaigns for success. So the benefits of reviewing email metrics are clear, but what story or insights can these individual metrics tell you? Let's take a look at 5 useful email marketing metrics. An email campaign open rate is simply the ratio of people who have actually opened the email versus open the email versus the total number of people who received it. This is useful for understanding the effectiveness of your email subject line. For example, if a subject line of things we love about our pets receives a higher open rate than an email titled discounts and offers on pet food, this tells you your audience favors emails that give them insight into life as a pet owner rather than promotional content. Once you know how many people open the email, take a look at the click-through rate or CTR. This offers a top-level view of the success of the individual email campaign and gives you the percentage of people that clicked on links to your site from every email that was opened. The click-to-open rate takes into account total number of clicks versus emails that were actually opened. This gives you a more realistic idea of audience engagement because if they opened your email and went on to click a link, you clearly did something right. Another useful metric is conversion rate. Say you have a free pet grooming workshop coming up that you advertised in your email. The conversion rate will show how many people you send the email to compared to the number of people who actually ended up registering for the event. Sometimes when you send emails, they bounce back. The bounce rate is the percentage of emails that could not be delivered to subscribers and were sent back. There are 2 kinds of bounces to be aware of. Soft bounces. These are rejected due to a full inbox or size limit restriction on your audience email server. Hard bounces, your emails are blocked or the address you are using is incorrect. A breakdown of hard bounces per email campaign can show you which email addresses to remove, saving you time and effort for your next campaign. Looking at the metrics and the story they tell will help you understand what is working and what isn't. The next step is to adjust any future campaigns accordingly, whether that be to refine subject lines, review the type of content published, or clean up your subscribers list. We've now covered some valuable email metrics that will help you uncover useful insights from your marketing campaigns. Take the time to review the metrics from the last email you sent. What story do these metrics tell you? Amelia is a marketing assistant at a big clothing brand and has just sent out her first email marketing campaign. She takes a look at the click-through rate to understand how many people clicked on a link in the email in order to land on our website. What is the drawback of this metric? Okay, the topic assessment for this module. Which of the following will you need to start an email marketing program? Which of the following is a common feature of email marketing platforms? Which of these is a good practice to keep in mind when sending emails to your contacts? If the open rate of your emails seems low, which of the following could help you fix that? Which of the following statements is true when it comes to running email campaigns for a business? Okay, so that's it for Module 17. See you again in Module 18. Don't forget, this video is brought to you by Jobs Brief Digital Marketing Academy, Bodija in Ibadan. And your instructor is Moses Alabi Isama. See you again in the next video, Module 18.